guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, I'll be doing my first Temu unboxing and review. This is the first time I am ordering from Temu and it just arrived. I already tore the packet out and everything is on my table right now. So I wanted to order something, just one thing, to try it out and see if I like the quality. But they gave me a minimum order to order a couple of things to make up the minimum order. So we're going to unbox and review everything here in this video and rate it and see if what I ordered was what I got. So let's start with the first thing. And in case you're wondering, they delivered to Nigeria. So I'm in Nigeria. It was delivered to me in Nigeria. So the first thing I got was this bag. This is what you use to organize your things before you put them in your suitcase. And this is a pack of 6, I think 5 or 6, I'm not sure. This is the first size. This is the biggest size of this pouch bag. This is the second size. It has a mini one. And it also came with the smallest size. So this particular type of pouch bag came in 3 sizes. And then I have this particular bag. This one is the one that you can use to put your clothes, and it has a handle. It is quite deep. I was not expecting it to be this big, but I like it. So this is what it's looking like. It also came with this small size for probably your undies or something, I don't know, but also has a handle. And then this is the biggest size. So I'm so impressed, you guys. I am very impressed. This one ticks the box for me. I'm so impressed with it. The only thing I'm not so sure about is the zip. I don't know about the durability of the zip, but overall I'm going to give this one an 8 out of 10 just because of the zip. So the second one is this. So this is a nail tip glue. This is a check-off glue that you can use your UV lights to cure it. This is supposed to be like, instead of using the normal super glue to do your nails, you can use this one and cure it with your UV machine. I'm not sure about how strong this is until I try it. You guys literally asked me to do a tutorial of how I do my nails in my last vlog. So I had you guys. I'm going to do a tutorial when I'm doing my nails next, because I'll do my nails very soon. The next one is this, you guys, this lash. I got a pack of lashes and I wanted this particular type because it's giving like this doll kind of anime look. So I got the 6-in-1. I'm going to try this out in another video and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Maybe I will do like my maintenance video, like my monthly or weekly maintenance video where I do my nails, my lashes, shaving my face, doing my brows too. Then I'll show you guys everything in the same video. So the next thing I got is a ring guard. I got a ring guard. So this is used to adjust the size of your rings. And this was really a great buy because it is so difficult to find this randomly here in the market. So I just saw it and I decided to get it. And the final thing I got, this was the main reason why I ordered something in the first place, is this. So this is a rechargeable shaver. It's a 4-in-1 shaver. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. So it's so fancy. It's really fancy. I love it. So I think it came with 2 different charging ports. I think this is supposed to be a Type-C port. And there's also a charging port here. So this is the main shaving head. When you just twist this, you can bring it out. This is another type of head. So I think you can use this one to like shave your face and other small hairs on your body, which I'll be trying out in another video, and I'm going to show you guys how this works. I already tried to remove the hairs I had here, and you can see that it actually works. You guys, it actually works. It really works. This will save me a lot of money from waxing, you guys. I'm almost going bankrupt because of waxing. And I cannot afford to be paying the amount of money I'm paying every month to wax. So this is going to be an alternative for me, honestly. And then it has another one too. This is for the nose. This is the nose trimmer. And then the final one is this one. This one is for the brows. So you just... I'll show you guys how to use this entirely in another video. So it's so portable, it's so fancy, and it works. So it also came with a charging cable. This charging cable goes here, and you can use your power bank or any adapter of your choice to charge this. And final thing is this brush. It came with a brush that you can use to clean it out after use. So overall, I'm going to give this one maybe like a 9 out of 10 until I use it properly, and then I'll come back to give you guys a full review of it. But overall, I am so impressed with every single thing I got. Like, I didn't get any bad thing. And of course, I read the reviews and I also read my descriptions properly. I think the trick to buying things from Temu is to make sure you are reading the description properly. If you read everything properly and also check reviews, the possibility of you getting things that you did order for will be lower. I took my time to check the reviews one after the other, and I also checked the description of the product, which is very, very important. And you can see that everything I ordered was what I got. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Let me know if you guys want me to do more Temu hauls, because I just tried to test the waters with this small order. I'm going to order more, and it took about 2 weeks to get to me here in Nigeria, and the delivery guy literally just came to my house and gave it to me. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about Temu, if you want a link to get any of the things that I listed here, please check my description box. I'm going to try my best to link everything there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.